Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see how to add a new product on your online store. To add a new product, go to Products and then click Product. This will list all the products that are currently added on your online store. To add a new product, click on Add New Product. This brings the form for adding new product. Select the category under which you want to add the product. Give the product name. Select the brand. Give the product description. Next, give the selling price and give the retail price. Selling price is the price at which the product will be sold. Retail price is the price that will be striked out. To see an example, in this store, $16.49 is the selling price and $2,999 is the retail price. Click Save and Next. After that, upload the image of the product. To upload the image, click Select Files. Select the image that you want to upload. Click on Open to upload the selected image. After that, click on Start Upload. Unlock Commerce automatically creates necessary thumbnails for faster downloading. That's it. We are done with adding a new product on your online store. To view how this product looks, click on the name of the product. This is how the product looks on your online store. Unlock Commerce has automatically added the watermark on the image that was uploaded. It has also created the necessary thumbnails for the uploaded image. That's it. See you in the next video.